everybody, Devin up here, and today I got the new iPhone cases. All right, so we got the electric orange, we got the sunflower yellow, and then we got the cloud blue. All right, so we're gonna unbox it, put the case on, see how it is, and see which one is the best. I feel like we had enough blues, you know, the blue do look nice. I feel like we had enough red. I think the yellow one might be the most fire. The yellow one might be it. All right, but let's see. So I got gold today, you got gold today. Throw them threes for your boy. And why at first glance it looks really red. The inside it looks red, but it's called electric orange. Yeah, this looks really nice. So next, this is the sunflower yellow. Yeah, this looks pretty nice too. Like I said, I think this one is the best one. On the inside looks nice. You can do a lot with this, like, you know what I'm saying? If you're a Pokemon fan, you already know what time it is. And if you like yellow, you already know what time it is. You can match this thing with anything that's yellow. This is gonna be the summer hit right here. This is gonna be the summer phone right here. And then lastly, we got the cloud blue. All right, yeah, this is pretty chill, pretty common, like an ice blue, you know, but it's called cloud blue. But you know, ice blue. This can go with some Columbia Jordans, Columbia 11s, 9s, acid wash jeans. This is like more for the chair outfit. Yo, this is like you want to throw in a Laker fit. The red is nice too. These are all three nice colors. All right, so next I'm gonna throw my phone on each of these and we're gonna see how it is. Let's get started. All right guys, so what do you guys think about the three colors? Like, they all look nice and I changed my mind. Okay, the yellow one is still my favorite one out of these three, but I have to give second place to this because this is look more like a whitish bluish. I mean, it do say cloud blue, but this looks like a really soft blue, kind of white. And I like the lines around it, you know, that was around the phone. Like, I like the lines around this phone. This looks pretty cool around the phone, the yellow. Just imagine having like a yellow car, or just like, I don't know, there's something yellow that can just matches this, like like that'd be pretty cool, like, to be honest. Like I said, I like the blue around here. This looks pretty dope. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is nice. I have to give this a 2, you know. But the red's not bad either, like, you know. I'm not against the red either because the red looks cool. Like I said, this looks more, you know, like guy, like this looks more like, you know, dominant out of the three colors, more, you know, dominant out of the three. But out of the three, I have to choose the yellow because the yellow looks just like the best out of the three. Second, I would have to give it to this, and third, I have to give it to the red one. But they're all three great, good choices. I think I'm just tired of seeing a lot of like reddish side because we get a lot of red. Like, I just reviewed the coral red, I believe it was called. I feel like I've seen too much red lately to kind of just make me be like, okay, another red. Looks nice, but what's next, you know? Also, yeah, the yellow do match, so you know what I'm saying? That's, again, that goes to fit. But y'all, this is the end of the video. What do you guys think? Which one are we getting? Throw the things up for your boy. This Devin up. I'm out. Peace. Thanks for watching, and let me know which one's your guys' favorite. I'm out. Peace.